Welcome! Today I am with Beats Studio Buds and I will show you how you can connect them with your Android smartphone. So at the first, we have to enable Bluetooth on our device, just like that. And next we have to go for the Play Store where we are able to use the Beats application. So go over the search pool, tap on the search pool and type Beats. We have to get this application from Apple. So let's install. Right now we can open. Click to get started. Oh, I think that we can just don't send these files. Click next, accept this permission, and then select our Beats Studio Buds. Next, we have to turn on our case, and as you can see, it's turned on. Next, we have to slide on the right side, and we have to hold this button because this indicator is not blinking. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it for a few seconds. Keep holding. And then we can release. Next we can slide on the right side, and as you can see right now, we have to wait until we get this kind of the floating notification. So just be patient and wait a little bit, and this time I'm going to simply turn off the power saving mode on my smartphone, and now just wait. Okay, as you can see, we got some kind of the connection problem. So how we can fix it? I think that we can move to the Bluetooth settings manually and connect them manually. So let's click and hold this button one more time. When the indicator is blinking, we can release. And then let's go to the Bluetooth settings where we can connect them manually. So choose from the available devices list our Beats Studio Buds and then accept pair. Next, we are connected, we can use our device, but let's take a look on our Beats application, where this, so okay, it's right here. Okay, so as you can see, right now we are finally connected. So as you can see, unfortunately on the Beats application on the Android, this feature is not working, so we cannot be connected automatically. We have to make it manually for the Bluetooth settings, and after that we will be right here in this application finally connected. So as you can see, when we are connected, we are also able to turn on noise cancellation or set up the transparency mode. Here we can also adjust few control options, like we can wake the voice assistant or use the noise control. For the left and the right, it just looks the same. Here we can also find the serial number and we can register our product. So yeah, as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.